Hello my friends, the sun's kind of peeping out from behind the clouds now. It's a typical spring day in Canada where the weather changes 10 degrees from morning till afternoon, and it's kind of a nice day now. But this morning it was rainy and gloomy and I was feeling a bit slow, and so I had my matcha latte with almond milk and then moved on to making some oatmeal to kind of nourish myself until lunchtime. This was a very realistic oatmeal because we have not much in the house today in terms of groceries. Certainly no fresh strawberries or anything that I typically like to put on my oatmeal. So I went with blueberries, which tend to be heartier and lasted in the fridge a bit longer. I hope you enjoy this video of a slow, realistic morning oatmeal breakfast on a gloomy day in Canada.